Hey there, it's your favorite host Utkarsh and welcome to the Decoder Utkarsh YouTube channel. Today we are going to have some fun and settle the age-old debate ChatGPT versus Bard, which will come out on the top. Well, let's find out this together. Now, I know you might be a little confused about language models, but no worries. We will break down it in a way that even your grandma can understand. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you never miss our latest videos. Who knows what kind of fun debates we will have next time.
257.
So, what are ChatGPT and Bard? They are both super smart chatbots trained to be informative and comprehensive. Think of them as a knowledgeable friend who always have an answer to your questions. ChatGPT is built on OpenAI platform while Bard is an independent chatbot developed by Google. Both are powerhouses but they do have differences. ChatGPT is trained on a wide range of text sources, making it the perfect choice if you're looking for a chatbot that can talk about pretty much anything under the sun. On the other hand, Bard is trained on more specialized dataset of fiction books, which means it's better at generating texts that are creative and engaging. But when it comes to accuracy, both models are impressive. But Bard has a slight edge in generating more coherent and plot-driven stories. ChatGPT, on the other hand, may struggle in with generating cohesive stories from the start to finish. Ultimately, the best model for you depends upon specific needs that you want. If you want a chatbot that can give information on a wide range of topics, then ChatGPT is yours. But if you are looking for a chatbot that can spin creative tales, then Bard is one of that for you. So, which model I am using? Well, I am keeping that a secret, but let me know in the comments below which one you are going to prefer. And if you had a fun watching this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. We have a plenty of more informative and entertaining content coming your way, so stay tuned and thanks for watching this video.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6